Hello, it's Gladish with TMA. I got a chip and chat here. First of all, you can see I'm wearing an EMI hoodie that's Electromax in Hampshire. We thank them for the clothing. We know why I'm wearing it. It's because they gave me the clothing. Today I'd like to spend maybe 90 seconds with you talking about our Hoover's prospecting database program that we have within the association. First of all, I'm in my man cave with my time trial bike behind me and some cool pictures of my father who raced against Roger Penske back in the early 60s. So our business development program, really what that amounts to is TMA has bought a $5,000 a year subscription to the Dun & Bradstreet product called Hoover's, which is a prospecting database. You get access to that through me. You don't have to learn any software. You simply tell me the geography, the industry, and the size of the companies that you want to go prospect. And what I do is I run the report based on that criteria, email that off to you in Microsoft Excel, and off you go. It's quite a slick program. I've been working with it for probably 16, 17 years. So I've been up and down the industries of the NAICS codes and the SIC codes and can help you with that. If you're interested, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I wish you to be well and manufacture on. We'll get through this together. Take care. Bye-bye.